Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, December 11th, 2012. We got a lot of talk coming out by the Fed tomorrow, starting at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then at 2 p.m. and 2:15. So be watching 12:30, 2, and 2:15 time slots if you are day trading. And check this out, a big nasty, huge nasty bear flag on the S&P. But let's get talking about where we're at here on the markets. The S&P up 0.65. I mean, the markets are up solidly here. Dow up 0.6%, Nasdaq up 1.2%, Russell's up 1%. Banks up 0.74%, and the VIX off by 3%. We are now below 16. Gold off by a smidgen, and you have silver off by 0.72%. Crude oil up 0.25%, and US dollar down 0.4%. Taking a look over here at the markets. Have this nice drop. V-bottom trend reversal pattern. We go right into a pinching formation. At one point today we were quite high, looking like we were going to bust out of this, making a nice trend to the upside. However, at the top, I was in the premium chat room, the Grokstar chat room that Mark leads, and said there's a pretty good chance that we'll not hold these highs but close down below 1428, and we did get a close at 1427.84, so that call came to fruition. The reason I said that is because there's two lines here, one coming across. Here we have support, here we have resistance. That's a definite line, so anytime you get past that, it's going to be a gravity point. It's going to want to pull back, and we have this area of resistance coming across. So two lines intersecting at 1428. That's going to be a big time gravity spot. We were extended past that, and that's why it was easy for me to make a call that chances are we will pull back to 1428, and that's precisely what we did by day's end. You have to know how to draw these lines incorrectly, and a lot of people will draw lines but they're incorrect. You need to draw them the right way for them to be valid, and they can really help you quite a bit in trading, and it is one of the underlying secrets to trading and trading success. While we're here, I do see we're above these moving averages, but I'm not certain that we're going to sustain these. We popped up above the moving averages here, and then we got pulled right back into them. We go above the moving averages here, we get pulled back into them. We drop below the moving averages here and get pulled back into them. We are now above the moving averages here, and I foresee us getting pulled back into them. So, I wonder how we did on Apple. I said Apple was a buy, and it looked like we had a nice pop. So we're up. We have a higher high, higher low. Apple is up 2% today, so not bad. Wow, I bet it was up 5% at one point today. Nice kick off these lows, which I foresee being the bottom. But if the markets do roll over and start to drop, I see us testing those, and I see a huge buying opportunity at 500 if the markets do roll over. Huge opportunity there. Let's see how Google did. I said that was a buy. Oh, it's breaking out and on with volume. So Google is moving as expected. Not too bad. Let's see what Facebook's doing. I called that yesterday too. Facebook didn't do a big move, but this is what is huge. Again, we have a high base, we have a trend line coming across. We closed over this trend line with increasing volume. There is a sizable chance that this will be ready to take off now. But the markets, especially the Nasdaq, will need to be strong for that to happen. If the markets get weak and Nasdaq is weak, don't expect that rally to take place. And Mark did a fantastic video there for the stocks. He did a video on today's trade, and you'll want to take a look at that. And make sure if you speak Spanish, Nitza has a video that you can watch also, and Carolina does a video if you trade the Qs or ETFs. So a lot for you to look at. So hope all is well with you. And I did get some feedback from a number of different sources talking about the morning video. Again, if the morning video, the pre-market video, is of benefit to you, I really do need to hear from you to find out if it is worth continuing, because it does take a lot of time, and certainly don't want to do that unless I get a nice sized group of people that I know for a fact are watching them. So let me know down in the comments, or send me an email at des@groktrade.com, and that'd be great. All right. Hey, and also if you speak Spanish, we do have a live mentorship that we're looking to do in Mexico City in March, so keep your ears open for that.